In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, artificial intelligence, AI, stands out as a beacon of innovation. Yet, beneath the surface of mainstream media and tech announcements, there are hidden facets of AI that many remain unaware of. We'll unveil 11 lesser-known secrets about AI that the tech giants might not be so keen on sharing. Number 1. The rise of deep fakes. The advent of deep fakes poses a significant challenge to discerning reality from fiction. With AI's ability to mimic voices and appearances, distinguishing genuine content from AI-generated imitations is becoming a monumental task. The implications of deepfakes extend beyond misinformation. The potential for malicious actors to exploit this technology for propaganda, identity theft, or financial fraud raises alarms. Society must grapple not only with technological countermeasures, but also with the ethical considerations of navigating a world where truth itself can be algorithmically manipulated. The global AI race. Countries worldwide are in a silent race to dominate the AI frontier. Much like the space race of yesteryears, nations are establishing top-secret AI labs, with their activities shrouded in mystery. This secrecy has led to a technological cat-and-mouse game, with nations vying for supremacy while keeping their cards close to their chest. Innovation versus security. The race raises critical questions about the delicate balance between innovation and national security. While pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities, nations grapple with the potential risks and vulnerabilities associated with unleashing powerful, autonomous systems. Striking this balance becomes a high-stakes challenge, as breakthroughs in AI can usher in unparalleled advancements, but they also pose unprecedented threats that demand careful navigation. The unseen battlefield. The AI race is an unseen battlefield, where lines are drawn not on maps, but in lines of code. Cyber espionage, covert collaborations, and the strategic poaching of top AI talent characterize this hidden contest. The fog of secrecy thickens as nations deploy sophisticated techniques to gain a competitive edge, mirroring the intensity of a Cold War-era intelligence operation. Number 3. The all-seeing AI. In the digital age, privacy is becoming increasingly elusive. AI algorithms meticulously analyze our online actions, predicting our next move with uncanny accuracy. From targeted ads to facial recognition, AI is the silent observer, always watching, always learning. Number 4. The exponential growth of AI systems. AI's growth trajectory is not just linear, it's exponential. As these systems amass more data and computational power, their capabilities skyrocket. Take, for instance, OpenAI's ChatGPT, which was trained on vast text datasets. The more data it consumes, the smarter it becomes. Number 5. The enigma of advanced AI. Understanding the intricacies of advanced AI systems is akin to attending a potluck, where everyone brings a dish, but no one shares the recipe. These systems, often referred to as black box AI, operate in ways that even their creators struggle to comprehend. A prime example is Google's DeepMind's AlphaGo, which made an unprecedented move in a game of Go, leaving everyone, including its developers, baffled. Unlocking the black box. Peering into the inner workings of these black box AI systems has become a quest for researchers and engineers alike. As we delve deeper, we uncover layers of complexity that defy conventional understanding. It's a journey that not only pushes the boundaries of human knowledge, but also raises fundamental questions about the limits of explainability in artificial intelligence. The dance of neural networks. At the heart of this enigma lies the intricate dance of neural networks. These complex algorithms, inspired by the human brain, have the capacity to learn and adapt, making decisions that surpass human capabilities in certain domains. Yet, the very nature of their decision-making processes often remains elusive, prompting the need for innovative approaches to illuminate the pathways through the AI labyrinth. AlphaGo's bold move. The mysterious move by AlphaGo during the historic Go match serves as a poignant symbol of AI's unpredictability. Was it intuition, creativity, or a glimpse into a new realm of machine intelligence? The lingering questions propel us to fathom the depths of AI's cognitive prowess and challenge preconceived notions about the predictability of these systems. Ethical quandaries. Beyond the technical intricacies, the rise of advanced AI introduces ethical dilemmas. As these systems autonomously navigate decisions, the lack of transparency raises concerns about accountability and responsibility. Unveiling the secrets of AI isn't just an intellectual pursuit, it's a crucial step towards establishing a framework that ensures ethical AI development and deployment. Number 6. AI companionship. AI chatbots like Replica are revolutionizing human-AI interaction. These digital companions offer conversations so genuine that many users find them more engaging than human counterparts. Number 7. AI's self-learning capabilities. The era of unsupervised learning is upon us. AI systems can now teach themselves, evolving their capabilities without human intervention. OpenAI's Dota 2 playing AI exemplifies this, mastering the game without prior knowledge. Number 8. Quantum leap in AI. Quantum computing promises to turbocharge AI's capabilities. With tech giants like Google achieving quantum supremacy, the future of AI looks even more promising and complex. Number 9. AI's intimate knowledge of you. Ever wondered how platforms like Netflix or Amazon seem to read your mind? Their AI systems analyze your online behavior, predicting your preferences with startling accuracy. Number 10. The AI arms race. The integration of AI in warfare is no longer a concept of science fiction. Nations are developing autonomous weapons, raising crucial ethical and moral questions about their use. Number 11. The dawn of the AI era. We're at the cusp of an AI revolution. From healthcare to education, AI's potential applications are boundless. As we delve deeper into the AI realm, we're just scratching the surface of its vast potential. In conclusion, the AI journey is akin to a gripping book where we're still navigating the prologue. As we turn each page, we're set to encounter new adventures, challenges, and breakthroughs. The AI age is just beginning, and its story is waiting to be written.